સજાનંદ સ્વામી મહારાજની જય. ગુરુ બ્રહ્મા ગુરુ વિષ્ણુ ગુરુદેવો મહેશ્વર ગુરુર સાક્ષાત પરબ્રહ્મ તસ્મૈ શ્રી ગુરુવે નમઃ. ત્વમેવ માતા ચ પિતા ત્વમેવ બંધુશ્ચ સખા ત્વમેવ વિદ્યા દ્રવિણમ ત્વમેવ સર્વં મમ દેવ દેવ. જે ઉત્પત્તિ સ્થિતિ લય કરે વેદો સ્તુતિ ઉચ્ચરે, જેના રોમ સુછિદ્રમાં અણુસમા બ્રહ્માંડ કોટી ફરે. માયા કાળ રવિ શશી સુરગણો આજ્ઞાન લોપે ક્ષણ. એવા અક્ષરધામના અધિપતિ શ્રી સ્વામિનારાયણ. જેની અમૃતવાણી તો વહી રહી સાક્ષાત મહિમા રૂપે, જેની બ્રાહ્મી સ્થિતિ અહોલિન કરે સુભવ્ય અક્ષર પદે. શરણાગત નિજ અલ્પ જીવ સહુના શ્રેયાર્થ તત્પર રહે. કાકા સ્નેહલ સિંધુ દિવ્ય વિભુને હૈયું તો વંદન કરે. સજાનંદ સ્વામી મહારાજની જય જય જય. આજ કે આનંદ કી જય જય જય. સદગુરુદેવ કી જય જય જય. ગુરુહરિ કાકાજી મહારાજ, ગુરુહરિ પપ્પાજી મહારાજ, બંધુ બેલડી શતાબ્દી પર્વ મહોત્સવની જય જય જય. પ્રગટ બ્રહ્મ સ્વરૂપ હરિપ્રસાદ સ્વામી મહારાજની જય જય જય. પ્રગટ બ્રહ્મ સ્વરૂપ જસભાઈ સાહેબજીની જય જય જય. પ્રગટ બ્રહ્મ સ્વરૂપ અક્ષર વિહારી સ્વામી મહારાજની જય જય જય. પ્રગટ બ્રહ્મ સ્વરૂપ મુકુંદજીવન સ્વામી ગુરુજી મહારાજની જય જય જય. પ્રગટ બ્રહ્મ સ્વરૂપ ભરતભાઈ વસીભાઈ ભાઈઓની જય જય જય. સર્વે ગુણાતીત સ્વરૂપોની જય જય જય. Kakaji's birthday falls on June 12th, which is on Monday. But today on Friday we are celebrating because for all of you. તમે બધા શુક્રવારે સારી રીતે આવીને લાભ લો છો એટલા માટે બર્થડે બી ચેન્જ થઈ. The birthday is shifted to our convenience. And then Pankaj uncle said that on exactly the June 12th, Monday we will also have birthday, and those who have time and availability, please come. When there is a birthday, there is always a happy feeling. Not just Kakaji's birthday, but any one of us, that day is a special day for us. Birthday is a special day for us. The sun rises about same time. Sun sets same time. No big change or thing, but in our heart it is different. We feel that today is my birthday. Then we do whatever our inner self tells us. Some celebrate going to have a party, some do, wild things, and some come to the satsang and do the wise things, So it's all varieties of reasons we select how we want to celebrate our birthday. But birthday is a feeling of happiness. આપણને જ્યારે બી આપણી બર્થડે આવે ત્યારે આપણને આનંદ થાય. કાકાજીની ગયા વર્ષે એક બુક બહાર પાડી આપણે. લાસ્ટ યર on Kakaji's and Papaji's centenary function, we had one book, Askhalit, Mangal, Krupa, Dhara. And those are the lectures and other very important articles about Kakaji, In there is one topic which is on page number 132, topic number 62, which says with a title, Happiest Day. It is very good, and I thought that maybe I'll say some of these things today, and then if there is not enough time left, then we'll do it on Monday. It's already 9:43, so we will try, And we will pray to Kakaji that whatever he is telling in his own heart to us, we also try to live that way. આપણે પણ કાકાજીએ પોતાનો આનંદનો દિવસ કયો ગણ્યો એમ આપણે પણ આપણો એવો આનંદનો દિવસ ગણીએ. Oh, one more thing when I was praying, I said our man upstairs declined, darshan. Man to my right also kept quiet. So now I have two, one in center and one my left. So Vijay, I'll give you some time. તારે બી કહેવાનું થોડુંક, હા? હા કે ના? ઓકે. અમારો વિજય બી સરસ વાતો બોલાવે છે. So this is what this article is saying. 64, happiest day. કાકાજીને પરદેશમાં 2-3 જણાએ પૂછેલું કે which is the happiest day in your life. Kakaji used to travel to the foreign countries in the 70s. Even before that, he was traveling from the 50s. And even before that, he traveled when he was high school student. He went to Africa, then he went to London, came back. Then again, he was traveling on his business, Europe and other places. Then again, he traveled on the spiritual mission for Yogi Bapa in Africa in 1954, and again in 60, and again to different times to foreign countries. But in 1973, Kakaji came first time to America and first time to Chicago. So that is the Kakaji's all over the different countries, continents journey. So many friends and devotees and acquaintances asked this question to Kakaji, that what is your happiest day? Now, in English we know happy, happier, happiest. Happiest is only one, right? It has to be the highest, best one, right? So, somebody asked Kakaji that what is your happiest day? અર્થાત મારા જીવનનો સૌથી ખુશીનો દિવસ કયો? What is the happiest day of my life? That was the question that somebody asked Kakaji. And that is Kakaji who is sitting here. આ પ્રશ્નનો જવાબ અને એ માટેનો કારણો જે કાકાજીએ આપ્યો એ એમના જ શબ્દોમાં જોઈએ. So, regarding this question and why the happiest day Kakaji selected, that is, we want to listen to his own words, Kakaji's own words. Kakaji કહે, Kakaji said, હું નિરાંતે આ પ્રશ્નનો જવાબ શોધવા બેઠો. પહેલાં પહેલું, કાકાજી cannot have free time. નિરાંત કાકાજીના લાઈફમાં જોઈ જ નથી. He is always busy. He has so many things going in his self, and he had that extraordinary power, A person comes, just new person comes, he can read the whole chart of that person from top to the bottom. So he's always busy, He was also bold, that he would not feel shy to not to say what is right, and he would say what is right. So કાકાજી કહે છે, હું નિરાંતે આ પ્રશ્નનો જવાબ શોધવા બેઠો. આની પર બી we can talk a lot, why નિરાંતે, But the reason that I can explain you, that Kakaji had no interest in finding this answer that we are anxious to know. એનો પછી બીજી ઉપર કોઈ વાત કરીશું. પણ કાકાજી સેઝ, શું મને પૈસા મળ્યા એ મારો સૌથી ખુશીનો દિવસ. And from childhood, Kakaji says, I saw condition of my father, lack of money, or my family, lack of money, and I had to end up going to Africa, lack of money. My brother Papaji had to work, lack of money. All these things, just one after another, lack of money. So Kakaji had made a wish that I will not live that kind of life. I will not have shortage of money. So, એ કહે છે કે શું મને પૈસા મળ્યા એ મારો સૌથી ખુશીનો દિવસ. પૈસા મળ્યા means he started having a job in Bombay at Nanavati company, or he got more money when he started his own business by the blessings of his master, Shastriji Maharaj. શું મને પૈસા મળ્યા એ મારો સૌથી ખુશીનો દિવસ. Most of us, we would say yes, કારણ કે we are all into that somewhat category, જે મળે છે, જેટલા મળે છે ઓછા જ પડે છે, right? Whatever we make, that's not enough. There were some people, many years ago, they had come to me and said that once I save $100,000, I will go to India. I will live on the interest. I don't need anything more. Maybe some of you may be thinking that way also, I'm sure. કે આટલા પૈસા કમાઈ લઈએ પછી પાછા પોટલા બાંધીને. And those people I am still seeing here. And not only they have 100,000, they have more than 100,000. So, it is an endless game, right? And we have reasons why we want more money, So, Kakaji also says that મને પૈસા મળ્યા એ મારો ખુશીનો દિવસ. Kakaji was content, he was happy. How much money he made on the first year? First year of his business. Normally, business takes 3 years to make profit. Here on the first year, by the blessings of his master, Shastriji Maharaj, Kakaji says, મને 9 લાખ રૂપિયાનો નફો થયો. I had a 900,000 rupees or dollar here. Or if you multiply that by the years factor, maybe 100 or 200 times, in first year, back then in 1952, 1950, Eh? Right. So, Kakaji says that my profit of 900,000 rupees, was that my happiest day? First year. Number 3, એક જ વર્ષમાં કોન્ટ્રાક્ટ મળ્યો. He got the contract After leaving his job, working for 3-4 years, then starting his job, and in the same year he got the contract. Successful contract. That was the happiest day. Then he goes back to his college years. BSc pass થઈ ગયો, happiest day. When we graduate, we have seen people, throwing their hats, in the graduation party here. Normally they are supposed to respect the hat, right? They are not supposed to throw, but they say, heck with it. I am done. All my hard work is done now. No more schooling. It's okay? Flying in the air, yeah. So Kakaji says that I got my BSc degree from London School of Economics, very well-known college, LSE, I got my degree there. That was my happiest day. Then Kakaji says, Man martabo madya hai. Did I get lot of respects, lot of welcomes? Is that my happiest day? All the way up to the Prime Minister of India, Jawaharlal Nehru. He gave him the open invitation to his cabinet to join. Was that my happiest day? Then Kakaji says, Naukari tarat madi gayi. I got a job right away. Is that my happiest day? And આપણે બધા have to, many of us are part of those candidates, right? Job માટે કેટલી બધી દોડાદોડ કરીએ છીએ અને મળી જાય તો કેટલો આનંદ થાય. જોબ, નોકરી તરત મળી ગઈ એ પછી કાકાજી કહે છે પરણવાનું મળ્યું એ. These are not his questions, these are our, happiest moments question. પરણવાનું મળ્યું એ, કાકાજી got married in very early age also. પછી કાકાજી કહે છે એ નહીં, not all of this in the list is considered to be the happiest day. So which is that happiest day? Which is that happiest day? કયો મારો ખરેખર happiest day છે? Then કાકાજી says, મને પ્રભુ મળ્યા. God, I found God. Number 2, પ્રભુએ મારો સ્વીકાર કર્યો. God accepted me. Number 3, मैं प्रभुનો સ્વીકાર કર્યો. I think we have a lot of things to go, but let's see, we are getting into the time. So, our Vijay bhai, થોડો આવીને લાભ આપો. We will continue that on Monday. વધુ આવતા સોમવારે. It's very nice. There are a lot of things Kakaji has said we would enjoy.